Hello students, now we start our second lesson, the sound of music. Here there are two parts. In part 1 we read about Evelyn Glennie listened to sound without hearing it, and in part 2 we read the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Now the first one, in this before we read what we know about that, God may have taken her hearing, means Evelyn Glennie, she had not hear any sound, but God given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels. What we hear, she feels only. Far more deeply than any of us. Means what we hear, she feels extra to us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So read the following account of person who fought against a physical disability. Means this one is a physical disability. Without hearing anything, we cannot imagine our life. But how Evelyn Glennie hear the sound and she plays a xylophone. So how he gets success in her life with a physical disability. So here when I explain you the summary of that story of Evelyn Glennie, that when she was 8 years old, she started to play piano, but at that time her hearing power gets weaker and weaker. Now at the age of 11 she get totally disabled of hearing. She cannot hear any sound. Her mother found it at the age of 8 when she called her for playing piano, but she didn't move. And suddenly they realize when what she do in their classes. Their teacher also suggest their parents to send it to a disabled school or where the schools for deaf. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. So here, a percussionist, Ron Forbes, spotted her potential. He saw that Evelyn have more potential and she is doing her best in music. So she started train her. Now Evelyn have interest to play the xylophone. All of you know what is xylophone, a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different length. So she wanted to play that music. So he started to give the training, and she spotted the music with her body from her foot. She with the vibration of the music, she started to feel the music, and she started playing the xylophone more fluently and frequently. And we cannot think about that achievement. She worked so hard, and she were going up and up. And she tells us that if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. If we decided what we want to do and what we want to achieve, then finally we get it with our hard work. So she talked so fluently without hearing. We cannot imagine that how we will talk if we cannot hear any sound or any expression. But she saw the eyes of the speaker, and she find all the things what he wanted or she wanted to speak. Now she never missed a word with the discussion of any person. When somebody talks about music, She also explained that it pours in through every part of my body. Means her body is filled with music. She was a great lover of music. It tingles in the skin, her cheekbones, and even in hair. The music is in whole body, in her whole body. She cannot leave a second without playing her instrument. Now she removes, when she get the platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration passes through her bare feet and up her legs. Now here students, this is the story of Evelyn Glennie, who worked hard, and what she wanted to do in her life, she do all the things, and she was the inspiration of us. So you have read this chapter and find to think about the text. You have to find all the answers of the text, but without reading you cannot find it. So your homework is to read this lesson and try to understood it and find the answer. Thank you.